Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making the area spotless and your hands clean. Once done, power off the iPhone and remove its case so the screen sits flat and level. Use the wet wipe, then the dry wipe to remove oils. Apply the dust sticker to lift any stray particles. Now position the protector over the screen without touching adhesive. Line up the cutouts and edges precisely so your first contact will be perfectly placed. You should lower the protector slowly from one side while keeping alignment steady. This reduces trapped air. Once the leading edge contacts glass, press gently down the center to let adhesive spread outward. Make sure to use a soft card or the provided squeegee and push from center toward edges in smooth, even strokes. If you feel resistance, lift slightly and realign. Precision here prevents bubbles later and ensures touch sensitivity. You finish by pressing all edges firmly and inspecting the surface for bubbles or dust. Most small bubbles vanish within 24 to 48 hours as adhesive settles. For stubborn ones, use the card to push them toward an edge. If a large bubble remains, carefully lift the closest edge just enough to access the particle, remove it with the dust sticker, then reapply slowly. Make sure edges are sealed. A low-heat blast from a hairdryer for a few seconds can help the adhesive bond if needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.